Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdur Rehman. I have selected four questions from O-level past paper of October number 2022. The question number 22. X square minus 6x minus 7 equal to x plus a square plus b. Find the value of a and the value of b. And the next paper is 4024, paper 1, variant 2, May June 2021. In this question number 21, write x square plus 10x plus 6 in the form x plus a square plus b. And the third paper is 4024, paper 1, variant 2, May June 2019. Of the question number 14 is write x square minus 7x plus 5 in the form x minus a square minus b. And the fourth paper is 4024, paper 1, variant 2, May June 2013. And question number 24, part D. Write x square minus 6x plus 3 in the form x minus a square plus b. I'm going to explain one by one. First, I'm going to pick paper summer 2021, paper 1, variant 2, question number 21. Part A, write x square plus 10x plus 6 in the form x plus a square plus b. This is a quadratic expression and we have to write in the completing the square form. So let's start here. I have uploaded complete lesson how to express quadratic expression in completing square. Now I'm going to start to explain question number 21 here. First, we have to write this expression x square plus 10x plus 6 as an identity. So the method is focus first term and second term, which is x square plus 10x square, and try to convert it into an identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I'm going to start to convert it into an identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. But the x square plus 10x is, there are two terms here and there are three terms, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So write down an extra term with negative sign to eliminate this parenthesis. So now a is x here, x square. So a is x here, x 2ab. B is unknown. I don't know what is b here. And don't forget to write plus 6. So to find question mark, the value of the question mark here, compare this second term 2x question mark with the second term 10x. So when you are going to compare here, in the rough, 10x equals to 2 twice of x times question mark here, we will get the value of question mark is 10x over 2x, which is 5. So the value of question mark is 5 here. So in the place of question mark, I'm going to write 5. I'm going to write 5 here. I'm going to write 5 here. So value of question mark is 5. 5, 5, and 5. Now x square plus 2x times 5 plus 5 square is an Identity a square, recall the identity here, a square plus 2ab and plus b square is a plus b whole square. So going to write x square plus 2x times 5 plus 5 square is x plus 5 whole square according to the identity. These are this identity. Now remaining are minus 5 square plus 6. So going to write minus 5 square and plus 6. So x plus 5 whole square minus 25 plus 6 will be x plus 5 whole square minus 29. Don't forget to write answer in the answer space. X plus 5 square minus 19 is the form like ax plus a square plus b. Now, in part B, the instruction is read instructions carefully. Use your answer to part A. Use your answer to part A to solve x square plus 10x plus 6 equal to 0. Solve. The keyword is solve. Solve means you have to find a value of unknown, which is x here. So, but you have to result. You have to use the result from part A, which is x plus 5 whole square minus 19, which is equal to x square plus 10x plus 6. So I'm going to write, I'm going to write in the place of x square plus 10x plus 6, I'm going to write here x plus 5 whole square minus 19 equals to 0. Because look at the part A, x square plus 10x plus 6 is equal to x plus 5 whole square minus 19. So I'm going to write x plus 5 whole square minus 19 in the place of x square plus 10x plus 6 and equal to 0 here. So make x as a subject. X plus 5 whole square equals to 19. Shift 19 on right side here. When you shift square on right side, it will be plus minus square root of 19. So x, the value of x will be, no need to write bracket here, parenthesis here, sorry. No need to write parenthesis here, so remove the parenthesis because I have shifted square in the right side. So the value of x will be minus 5 plus minus square root of 19. So going to write in the answer space minus 5 plus minus under root 19 is the final answer here. Now going to explain next question of summer 2019 paper 1-2. So I'm going to explain here. May June 2019 paper 1 variant 2 4024. Question number 14 part A. In this question the command is write x square minus 7x plus 5 in the form of x minus a square minus b. Same method here. First focus on the first two term here. The two terms are x square minus 7x, and by using identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, but their x square minus 7x are two terms, and a square minus 2ab plus b square are three terms. So to eliminate the third term, you have to write minus empty bracket parenthesis square and plus 5 is remaining. So going to write plus 5. By putting the value of A and B, so A is X here, I'm going to write X, A square, but B is unknown. B is unknown here, B is unknown here. So to find B, compare second term, which is 7x, with the second term 2x question mark. Going to compare or equating 7x equals to twice of x time question mark, which is 7x over 2x. X cancel. It will be 7 over 2. Write down the value of question mark here. So remove question mark first. Remove this question mark, and this question mark. And by inserting 7 over 2, 7 over 2, and 7 over 2. Whole square, and 7 over 2 here. So these three terms is an identity of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So recall identity here. A square minus 2ab and plus b square is a minus b whole square. So according to this identity, I am going to write a square minus 2ab plus b square as x minus 7 over 2 whole square. X minus 7 over 2 whole square, and minus 7 over 2 whole square plus 5 are the remaining numbers. After simplification, x plus minus 7 over 2 whole square minus 49 over 4 plus 5. Now, by mental math, 49 over 4 minus 49 over 4 plus 5 is, how to simplify this? 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Now 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20 plus 20 and minus 49. Plus 20 and minus 49 is minus 29. So minus 29 over 4. So write down the answer, which is, answer will be x minus 7 whole square minus 29 over 4. Now x square minus 7x plus 5 has been expressed as x minus 7 whole square minus 29 over 4. This is the final answer of our question here. Read part B, hence write down the minimum value. The keyword is hence. Hence means you have to use the result of part A. The result of part A is x minus 7 square minus 29 over 4. Copy this result here. In part B, and when you copy the result of part A in the space of part B, which is x minus 7 whole square minus 29 over 4. So question is, you have to find the minimum value. Remember, when you convert quadratic expression as in completing square form, the last constant part represent the minimum value of this quadratic expression. The last value of this completed square form is minus 29 over 4. So going to write, this is your minimum value here. This minus 29 over 4 is the minimum value. So the answer will be, minimum value is minus 29 over 4 is the final answer. Now, minus 29 over 4 is the final answer. Sorry. My mistake here. Minus 29 over 4, the final answer. Now, we did question summer 2021. We have done this. We did summer 2019 question paper uh, paper one, variant two, and now right to time summer 2013 question paper one, variant two. So in this question, this is this is D part one from question number 24 of 4024, paper one, variant two, May June 2013. In this part D, 24 part D, part one, you have to write x square minus 6x plus 3 in the form of x minus a square plus b. So, same process, focus in the first two terms, which is x square minus 6x, and try to write it into an identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. X square minus 6x are two terms, and we have written the three terms, so eliminate the third term by writing minus parenthesis whole square, which is minus empty parenthesis whole square here. And don't forget to write plus 3. Now, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square is an identity. So recall identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square a b, which is equal to a minus b whole square. So a is x here, x, b is unknown, b is unknown. So by comparing 6x with 2x times the question mark, so going to compare 6x with twice of x question mark. The value of question mark will be 6x over 2x, which is 3. So going to write 3 in the place of question mark. Sorry, no. X was right. Value of question mark was 3, 3, 3. Now write convert x square minus 2x times 3 plus 3 square is an identity, which will be a minus b whole square. So a is x and b is 3. Write down a minus b whole square for these three terms, and minus 3 square plus 3 square are remaining values. So x minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 3 will be x minus 3 whole square minus 6. Final answer is x minus 3 whole square minus 6 is the final answer for this part 1. Now in part 2, hence is the keyword, hence is keyword, solve is also keyword, solve. Hence means you have to use the previous answer, previous result. The previous answer is x minus 3 square minus 6, which is equal to x square minus 6x plus 3. So, solve means you have to find a value of the variable. Variable is x here. First step is by writing x square minus 6x plus 3 square in the completed square form, which is x minus 3 whole square minus 6 from part 1. Going to take the result, x minus 3 whole square minus 6 equal to 0. Now, x minus 3 square whole square equal to 6. X minus 3 shift square on left right side it will be plus minus square root of 6. So x equals to minus 3, 3 plus minus square root of 6. And do not try to further simplify. So because command is leaving your answer in the form p plus minus square root q. So value of x will be 3 plus minus square root of 6. Now we did summer 2019, O level 4024, O level 4024, paper 1, variant 2, summer 2013 of question number 24 of part D, part 1 and part 2. We have explained. I have explained this for, and now the last paper is winter 2022, October, November 2022, question number 22, part A. In this part, given is x square minus 6x minus 7 equal to x plus a whole square plus b, and find the value of a and the value of b. So x square, you have observed in the previous paper, this form is completed square form here. So winter 2022, yes. First step is we have to write x square minus 6x minus 7 in the completed square form and then compare with x plus a square plus b. So start solving, attempting this part. X square minus 6x, these are the two terms, converted it into the three terms. So write down the empty parenthesis here, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. But x square minus 6x are two terms, they are three terms, first, second, and the third. First term, second term, and third term. To eliminate the third term, we have to write minus parenthesis square for elimination of the third term. Minus 7 copied from this part. So a x as a, x to a b. B is unknown here. We don't know what is b. To find b, we have to compare 6x with 2x times the question mark. So when we compare 6x with or equate question mark, we get question mark, value of question mark will be 6x over 2x, which will be 2 on the 2, 6x, x cancel. The value of question mark is 3 here. So write down the value of question mark, which is 3. So write down 3, 3, and 3. Then write these three terms as identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square, minus 3 square minus 7 are the remaining value here. X minus 3 square minus 9 minus 7, which will be x minus 3 square minus 9 and 7 is 16. X minus 3 square minus 16. X square minus 6x minus 7 has been written as x minus 3 square minus 16. So after comparing with x plus a square plus b, now going to compare. Now we have to write that. First, I'm going to copy the question, which is plus b, x plus a whole square plus b, and the complete form is x minus 3 square minus 16. Now by comparing, we get the values of a and b. So going to compare with x plus xx Same here, minus 3 is the value of A. So minus 3 is the value of A, and minus 16 is the value of B. So going to write minus 16. Minus 3 and minus 16 are the values of A and B in this of part A. Part B, in the part B, hence solve. Hence means we have to use the result from part B. The result of part B is minus 3, minus 16, and the value of A and B, and x minus 3 square minus 16, x minus 3 square minus 16, which is equal to x square minus 6x minus 7. So going to write x minus 3 square minus 16 equal to 0 from part 1, because there is a word hence here, hence the keyword. Now, by making subject x as a subject, x minus 3 square equal to 16, x minus 3 equals to plus minus square root 16, which is x minus 3 equals to plus minus 4. So x minus 3 equal to plus minus 4 means we have to write x minus 3 equal to 4, or x minus 3 equals to minus 4. So x equal to 4 plus 3 is 7, or x equals to minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, write down minus 1, minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. So 7 and minus 1 are the final answer. Now I have explained all 4 questions from 4 past papers of O level 4024, Mathematics Syllabus D. I hope you have got the idea how to attempt these type of question, this type of completing the square questions here. If if you have still any confusion, any problem, any query, kindly watch this video lesson again and again. So stay connected, subscribe, share with your friends, and do not forget to press bell icon. Thank you very much.